If you don't have any freelance grant writing clients yet, and you're thinking, how do people actually get to $1,000 a week doing this? Not someday, not after years, but like realistically soon in the future? Because right now you might feel like you're learning, you're researching, you're trying, but nothing is actually turning into income yet. Hi, I'm Holly Rustick, and I help aspiring and seasoned grant writers replace their full-time income on flexible hours writing grants from home, even if they're starting from zero. And I want to show you what this actually looks like behind the scenes, because the people you see winning all those grants, winning all those clients, didn't start confident. I can tell you that 100%. They didn't start experienced, knowing how to do everything. They started exactly where you are now. Like Tiffany, who said she was able to quit her full-time job early because she hit her client goals faster than expected. That didn't happen because she felt ready. It happened because she followed a process. So let's zoom out for a second. There are over 1.9 million nonprofits in the United States alone. Now think about that. Every single one of those organizations needs funding. Most of them don't have a full-time grant writer, a strong development team, or even the time to apply for grants consistently. So what do? They outsource. This is why you'll see why people land clients quickly, especially in 2026 and beyond, because this is the new way of streamlining nonprofit budgets, is to hire freelancers. And people land these clients not just because they're special, but because the demand is already there. Let's make this real for a moment. What is $1,000 a week? About $4,000 a month, right? And most beginners assume that must mean tons of clients and exhausting, but it doesn't. It could look like 2 clients at $2,000 a month. And some of my clients even get 1 client at $4,000 a month or $5,000 a month. And once people understand this, something clicks. Like Tanya, who didn't just land random one-off work. She signed a 12-month retainer at 20 hours a month and had already booked $38,600 in contracts early on. That's when this stops feeling like a side hustle and starts feeling like a business. So let's talk about where people actually get stuck, because it's usually not skill, it's not intelligence, it's not how smart you are, it's not even experience, not even like how long you've been doing grant writing for. It's this loop. I'll start reaching out when I feel more ready. So you watch more videos, take more notes, tweak your resume, right? Update your LinkedIn profile, but you're not having conversations. And this is the shift. The moment you start actually talking to nonprofits, talking to businesses, talking to higher education institutions, everything changes. Another student shared she had 3 discovery calls in 2 weeks and started having real conversations about paid services. Not because she suddenly became an expert, but because she got in the room with decision makers. Now, yes, you do need a real skill, grant writing, but here's what people misunderstand. You don't need to master it before you start, because the fastest way to learn is inside real projects. Every grant looks a little different. There was someone who shared they got a nonprofit to agree to work with them, even with 0 grant writing experience. How? Well, were they nervous? Yes, they were nervous. But what did they do? They figured it out. And they also used our academy to answer all those questions they didn't know. That's how this works. Your first client is not about being perfect. It's about proving someone is willing to pay me for this. And that moment is huge. If you don't have clients yet, this is your job. Not learning, not organizing, not tweaking, not perfecting your brand, not tweaking your website, not even developing a website, but it's outreach, because outreach creates conversations and conversations creates clients. And this is where things can move fast, because everybody knows somebody who's in a nonprofit at some point, or you've actually probably benefited from a nonprofit, your kids' activities, etc. It doesn't happen from waiting. It happens from showing up. When you start, don't overcomplicate this. You don't need a long website, a huge list of services, or even a perfect niche. You just need clarity. I help nonprofits find and apply for grants. That's enough to start conversations. And conversations refine your offer. Once you start hearing what their problems are, what they want clarity on, you can tweak that offer. This is your only goal, 2 clients. Because once you have 2, you're not guessing anymore, you're building. We've seen this over and over. One grant writer secured a client for $13,500 and got their first grant win shortly after. Another built a business with just 2 clients, totaling over $60,000 per year. And that's so she could stay home with her kids. That's what stability looks like. That's what freedom looks like. They don't wait for confidence. They don't delay action. They actually go out and do it. So you can have messy conversations. You can learn as you go, and you can get paid. That's the only difference. If you want the step-by-step system to get your first clients, price your services, and build consistent income writing grants from home, that's exactly what we teach inside the Freelance Grant Writer Academy. Your first $1,000 per week doesn't start with a certification, a website, or more training. What it does start with is 1 conversation, 1 client, 1 yes. And then you build there. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe and comment below. And you can also check out all of our other tips and tricks on grant writing above.